Katay ki jingja ba kendet kelayo ban khat jubori ka jingam jong Dhon Bahadur ba News Namkarta na Nagaland badang wan jingwan da kali aiten ringkat bat ki bahiyeng jong menteri rong ba ka Nagaland ya kamet jong layo ban sei hadien babun kanta katay kamiet kataru hadien layo ban khat katu kat ni ka khando ka ban ye kitay ki kali ha katay jingja ka belaja kencan hajan karagil patupom umling de kispa atli ki kali ki bathu banle chakat lingsoin batu siki station dal kila sakon lot namar baka khando ka batua nauti ulum kala tap lup sendon ya ka surok bat khanglat wat iki banwan nagauti ban kiu sha shillong ha kani ka jenmiet ki he ka district kantup nadu ka puja pandev ka badai ka deputy commissioner nang tau CVS ready superintendent of police jong ka riboy district nang ta ki magister kantup yau DMHO ka riboy ki lahiar mador sha katay ka jakaban ploy kila chingaram suwa kani dondu katu kani ki bri ki ba like man pet ka sai na po khali hadian miklai I ya ka jingma na ka jingtua jong kati ka khando hanri ompala pat bantip yo kidang don pat kiwe pat kibran sa khut chapo ki machine ka company NKC nadu ki GCB ki dampa bat ki kor khat khando lapanan kam ha bapan ko ya khando nadu hanin ka janmiet ka po fa baji ai hanri ka jingtua bon pa khando ka simpo ban ko tang sa silyang ka sulok hadu khar arbaji ai jong ka singin kong ha kasi ublei janmi tat hadu kasi ningkong kala dan ka jingdang kali ka bacur bawat kala ta juri pa ba nonglet nangwan hanrei ka jingsim khia ki bor plate ka riboy ki lapan ya no ani kali pai ba na sulok lailat banmi sha so khwai pat poi biang sha pho me ha ka sulok na so hawi futi ka bala khampan sting ka bor district pen suk pe ba ha kali kawan da ka jingsim khia pan pun khoi ya ka te ka sulok bala sha tap ha khandau ba bala tua ha ka steps ningkong la laru ban se salai tili ki kali bala sha tap ha khandau da ki kor ki bor ka company NKC ba dei hadu khar baji bala ban khoi tang ya silyang ka sulok be kali pai ba kilayo banya na ka te ka sulok kat ba sa silyang pat ka sulok dang dap da ka khandau ba ka company kanang pateng ban khoi ya khandau ha ka te ka sulok छोटा गाड़ी Actually, I was coming from towards Shillong side, so I was at Chennai 19. That time my deputy project manager told me, sir, there is a huge slide at 16 Chennai. I came here and I saw there is a huge slide. Immediately I arranged all the machinery, manpower, material. So we put the 12 machineries like excavators, loaders and dumpers. And since 5:30 yesterday we are doing continue here. Now we have opened this route for traffic from both sides. Our all machinery and staff is engaged for whole night. Suddenly occur. Actually this is natural slide. Actually this is technical thing. The eyewitness is not an engineer or technical person, so he can't explain this. This is natural slide. You can see this is natural. There is no any cutting above that side. So how can you say this is due to uneven cutting?
How your company is how they are doing the
Our first priority is to open this route for traffic and movement for peoples and traffic also. Our first priority is we are doing this. Thank you very much.